Is chayote squash good for diabetes? 1 cup of chayote squash has only 38 calories, yet it provides 21% of the DV for vitamin C, 14% for manganese, and 18% for dietary fiber. Some early research suggests it could improve health in a few key ways, such as by lowering post-meal blood sugar and limiting in insulin resistance. Blood sugar impact. A 2011 animal study published in Food and Function found that consuming chayote juice prior to a meal reduced the rise in blood sugar that followed a meal high in carbohydrates. More studies are needed to confirm whether or not this effect occurs in people and to determine how much chayote would have to be consumed by a person for their blood sugar to decrease. Implications for insulin resistance. In addition to lowering insulin resistance, chayote may also inhibit protein-tyrosine phosphatase 1, which is responsible for at least some cases of type 2 diabetes, according to a review paper published in Pharmacognosy Magazine in 2014. Whether or not chayote squash has the same effect on blood sugar in humans as it does in the lab remains to be seen, thus more studies are needed before it can be recommended. Chayote is a versatile vegetable with a flavor similar of cucumbers and summer squash. Coconut milk, citrus juices, spices, herbs, and spices like cumin and curry powder all go nicely with it. If you want to make a side dish, sauté chayote with garlic, ginger, and red pepper flakes. If you want to make a soup, puree chayote with chicken stock, onion, garlic, cilantro, and red pepper flakes. Combine chayote with potatoes, onions, garlic, and chicken to make a hearty main course. Thank you.